For question 13, we have the sine x and the cos x graphs, and they want to know where is sine x greater than cos x. Okay, so I'm going to highlight sine x, which is this one. Okay, the other one is cos x. So where is sine x greater than cos x? It's over here. Okay, so the points that we are interested in are there and there. Okay, so we know, first of all, let's fill in some information on this graph. We know where sine x is equal to cos x, those are our points of interest, is where the reference angle is pi over 4. Okay, which is the reference angle here. Now we are between 0 and 2 pi here. So our first intercept here is at pi over 4. Fill it in on your graph, then you can see it properly. Okay, but now this next one, now we know sine is 0 at pi, so we know that value is pi. And this is 2 pi. So now our next cutting point is between pi and 2 pi, as you can see on this graph now. Now our reference angle is pi over 4, so between pi and 2 pi, or 3 pi over 2, which is here, we can even make it smaller here, we know that it has to be 5 pi over 4. So that's here. So then we know that our two intercepts are pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4. And remember to show what you're doing. Okay, so fill in all the information on the graph and write it out. Okay, so now let's write it over here. Between these 2 points, pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4, sine x is greater than cos x, but it's not including, okay, because we want where it is greater than. So then we will have x is an element of round bracket, because we're excluding the starting points, pi over 4 to 5 pi over 4, round bracket again because we're excluding it. So if you look on your possible answers, the answer is A.